Okay, today I'm going to introduce you to the Wrights Respirometer. This is a device that is utilized to measure what we call a slow vital capacity, or where a person takes a big breath in and then exhales completely but normally, or measures tidal volumes with normal breathing. It can also measure minute volumes. The person will just have to breathe through this, exhale through this for an entire minute, or what we're going to be using it today is we'll utilize it on the IPBB circuit. There are only two buttons on here, 1 and 2. So if you're looking at it, the button on the left, when you hold it in, it stops the hands from going around. When you hold the right side in, it resets it to 0. If you look through the bottom, you'll see the little slats. That goes with a device, what we call a turbine and a vane. You see that little thing spinning in there? That is the vane. As that goes around, it is correlated to the volume on here. Now we will be putting an adapter on here. This adapter here, that will go on the bottom. The air goes in here and comes out here. So when we do this, of course, if this were on a real patient, we would put a filter on this so that no contaminants get in there. So we're going to put it on our exhalation port of our IPBB circuit, and then I'm going to give the patient a breath. Okay. Now, an important thing right there, you see how the first breath was at 4.4, that one's at 0.5, which stands for 500 cc's. I had this back down on here and it affected the flow. So the flow going through this can affect it. If it's stopped up like that, it'll be inaccurate. If it's too fast, it will be inaccurate. So we need to make sure that the back end is not stopped up. Now if you see here, I'm going to reset it back to 0. 500. So I'm going to reset it back to 0 and hold the other button so it cannot measure. There. See how that one did not measure. So this button, when you're looking at it on the left, stops it. This one on the right measures it. Okay, and that is the Wrights Respirometer.